Hi, my name is Natalia and I am 3D printing scheduling lead. I started my journey with Lazer in 2017 as a agency worker, and then in 2019 I became a full-time member of Lazer Lamps. Lazer let me develop professionally. My first job at Lazer was packing lamps, and after a few years I was introduced to 3D printing. My role is focused on planning and optimizing production of 3D printed products to ensure we deliver parts efficiently and on time. At Lazer Lamps, we are developing and printing more vehicle-specific kits than ever before, which adds complexity to production planning. The companies continue to invest in the latest technologies. Compared to 4 years ago, we can now produce 320% more parts. This huge improvement in productivity is not without its challenges. In that regards, we are using AI-driven tools to optimize our machines and scheduling, plus closer collaboration across departments linked to the 3D printing team, of which I am proud to be an integral part. I really like to work at Lazer. I really like my team. So I work on the schedule almost every day. So the boys know what they have to print. Working at Lazer is special because of the people. They are very friendly, even the senior people.